today this Husky 16-inch by 40 cm toolbox. Trusted of heavy-duty metal latch, large carry handle to remove tray. Made in U.S. standard by the Home Depot. Recyclable, cool. 2-year warranty in there. Here's the back. There's nothing in the back. See? Their talk about metal latch means this. What's the tray? Take this out. Very heavy. Very, very, very heavy duty. Store my screws and my screwdriver. They do give you a nice tray. And look, you have a really good inside here. Sweet, and you put the tray in. You really must buy this. What's the bottom? Okay. It might say nothing on the bottom. Or has the sticker. It says nothing. They have like those little special pins right here to ready with hair and crud.